Hey guys, Steven here. My garage door popped off the rail. You can see the tracks. It should look like that. The wheels and the tracks popped off, and the cable came off because I had a jam kind of on the top of the door as I was opening the door. So I'm going to show you today this little trick on how to get the cable back onto the cam or the shaft of the that pulley, and get the wheels back on. So it was in a kind of open state, and what we had to do is close the door with one person lifting up on this side so it didn't fall down while we closed the other side, so that it was closed even. So in a closed state, the spring is compressed from the other side. It's under tension, and the cable's attached, but we need to turn it a little bit more. So in order to do that, we have this little trick here where we have two vice grips, and I can push the vice grip like this, and then I'll readjust the other vice grip until we get just a little more length on our cord, basically. Well, not length, but we're actually turning the pulley a little bit more so that it gets into the channel. So you see what we need to do is get this bead into that channel. And so we need about about an inch. I'm actually going to put this one on this here just to keep the tension on it, since I'm doing this by myself. There, so now that's in the channel it needs to be in, and there's a little tension while I relieve it. Okay, there we go. My cable is back in where it should be, in that slot right there on both sides. Now all I need to do is take off these 4 bolts and put the wheel in, and I'm going to do it with the door in, because if I try and lift the door up and put it in the top of the track where there's some wobble room, it's really hard to hold the door and the whole panel will flop down. So easiest way to do that is just remove these 4 and then put the track back in. Okay, so to get these off, on my garage door it's a 7/16 socket. I've got my Milwaukee impact. I'm just going to take these out. I'm gonna take 3 of them out, and I can insert the wheel. And we're ready to go. One thing I would do, instead of putting that channel or the vice grips on the cable, I would have grabbed a 3rd pair of vice grips and then kept both vice grips on the cable so that I could have let it off softer. That was a little quick of a release on that spring, but now we've got the wheel back in the track, we've got the cable back on the spring wheel, and we're good to go. If you don't have a set of vice grips, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get yours. Save a whole bunch of money by not calling out a garage door person, and then you'll have a pair of vice grips when you're done fixing your door. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel so I can show you other videos of how to fix stuff that break around the house, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.